where everything started from. Believe me or not, very, very honest. This is the stage where I started my entire, confidence journey from. I got admission in this college. I don't know how. Mr. Davolkar, he believed in me. What did he see in me? I have absolutely no clue. But yes, I was the one who was given the opportunity to be a part of this college. And after coming to this college, my entire personality, my self-confidence, the way I can talk to everybody, the way I can stand here, right from being a student seated there to being here as a speaker, it's been a beautiful journey. So, to tell you more about myself, I'm the one who can get strangers to come together to celebrate and enjoy together, and I'm not a magician. And I am invited, especially during the times where people are exactly very happy, right? And more than anything else, I'm the one to make sure that I spread that happiness. I stitch people together, I stitch memories together and create those beautiful moments in somebody's life. And that is what my profession is. And the profession that I am into has a purpose, and this all started from a passion. And the passion to be on stage, the passion to understand what people really want, the passion to always be happy. So you can also create that. But it all starts with a purpose, it all starts with one thing that is called passion. So my question to your everybody is, what is your passion? Have you been able to identify what your exact passion is? What are you really passionate about? That's the main question that everybody should answer today, because that's the need of the hour. That's what we really need to identify. We have students here, we have faculty members, we've got professional members, and we've got members who have absolute super amount of experience that I can probably never have. But it all starts with one amazing thing, that is your passion. If you've been able to identify your passion, you will be able to achieve anything and everything and live your dream life rather than just being in a rat race and listening to orders from your manager. Right. What is your dream job? A lot of people who've come here in the college or have been educating themselves, they have a purpose, and the purpose probably could be that I need a job. So what is your dream job? A lot of people might be thinking, I want to go to a beautiful company which is maybe Google or maybe Microsoft or maybe Walmart or maybe Apple, and I want to live that life. Is that really what your dream job is, to follow somebody else's dream? That's a very good question that you will have to ask yourself today. Because if you are able to answer that question today, you will be able to shape up your tomorrow. So that is one question. What is your dream job? Now, the question is, will you be able to create your passion into your profession? Very, very, very important question that we need to answer as audience. I need to answer as just one student, because I am still learning. And I've been able to turn my passion into my profession, and now it's your job, it's your turn. So, it's important that you start today. You could be a good speaker, you could be a good orator, you could be a good singer, you could do anything, because where I started from, I had absolutely no exposure, absolutely no knowledge as to मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ लाइफ में. पर मुझे ये पता था कि मुझे लाइफ में खुश रहना है. पैसे कमाऊंगा, ज़्यादा कमाऊंगा, कम कमाऊंगा, does not matter, does not make any difference. But मुझे लाइफ में खुश रहना है. That was my purpose and that was my passion. I turned my passion of happiness into being happy and spreading that happiness across each and every space, each and every moment that I used to walk in. And that became my profession. And that, I think, is the blissful life that I am living. I believe in three things. That is, if you have a purpose in life, that starts with your passion. If you have a passion, that will give you your purpose in life, and your passion can automatically serve your purpose, and the purpose can give you your profession. And if you're very, very happy, this will keep evolving. And now, peace है तो power भी आता है. वो अंदर से पागलपन आएगा, प्यार आएगा, पैसा आएगा, automatically पहचान भी मिलेगी. So ये सारे P's life में बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Not just 3 P's, but all these P's will automatically start attracting you as a beautiful pyramid, and you will get even more stronger in life. That's very, very important. Because here, if I can do something, you can also do something. Because I was very bad at academics. KC College के faculty members शायद जब बैठे हो, मैंने कभी class attend नहीं की. I used to get standing ovations in the class when I used to enter the class. Visiting faculty तो सुना है, visiting हमारे students भी. तो ऐसे standing ovations मिलते थे मुझे. This was the stage we always used to practice something with the other just to make sure that we're very happy and we're making a name for the college. और college का नाम करते करते in the entire interim हमने खुद का भी नाम बनाया, खुद की एक पहचान बनाई. And that is what is serving me today. And I'm extremely happy living my entire dream life. पैसे ज़्यादा नहीं कमा रहा हूँ, ये नहीं बोल रहा मैं बहुत अमीर हूँ. मुझे इतना पता है, I'm very satisfied and my family back home is absolutely safe and confident कि घर में पैसा आता रहेगा. क्योंकि मैं खुश हूँ, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और उस खुशी से मैं पैसे कमा पा रहा हूँ. I'm able to travel the world across the globe and being able to spread that happiness. You can also do that. It's very simple. Extremely simple. For the first step is you identify your purpose, your passion. So now, what is more important? Paisa ya pehchan? Very, very important question. A lot of people here might be thinking paisa is important. Pehchan. Are you sure? Who thinks paisa is zyada important in life? Pehchan se zyada. Paisa zyada important hai? Right? Super. Paisa to of course important, but paisa milega kahan se? That's something which is very important. मेरे डैड हमेशा कहा करते थे कि बेटा काम ऐसा कर कि काम से नाम हो जाए और फिर नाम ऐसा कर कि नाम से हर काम हो जाए. That is something very very important. हमेशा ऐसा काम करो जिससे नाम हो जाए और नाम से अपने आप हर काम हो जाए. हमने एक ही चीज सीखी थी एक मूवी से, that is 3 Idiots, कि काबिल बनो काबिल. That is not just a movie. That is an inspiration. You always take away something or the other from the movie rather than just Sheila Ki Jawani or Mundi Badnaam Hui. It's very important you take away something which is a very important lesson from a movie which is always hidden, which will not be direct. But this movie gives you a direct indication कि काबिल बनो, कामयाबी तो झक मार के आएगी. This is what was told in the movie. Right. तो आज मैं काबिल हूँ कि मैं आप सभी के सामने from a student who was seated there, who had a vision in his mind कि आज नहीं तो कल मैं इस stage पे आऊँगा. And I will be able to make a name for myself. I did not, absolutely no clue that I would be invited as a TEDx speaker in this college on the same platform exactly after 12 years. And I think that is what success, that is what money, that is what the beginning of a new journey is for me. And I am extremely happy again. Now, very important. A lot of people have that passion here in the auditorium, but what do you do with that passion? Karoge kya? Right? Something which is extremely important is you have to ask yourself this question: what does it take to start something? Right? You have a passion, for example, maybe somebody is a chef, somebody is a teacher, but are you able to live your dream life? Is that a question that you will have to answer? If no, the answer is no for a lot many years, then you definitely have to change something. And what does it take to start something? Very, very, very important. Does anybody know? कोई एक शुरुआत करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? For example, if you maybe want to have a dream kitchen, or maybe you want to write a book, what does it take to start something? Money, infrastructure, idea, super, anything else? Vision, lovely. Willpower, that's the best answer. And there are many thoughts. But I'll tell you what does it take to start something is a good start. That's all you need to start something. That's it. You need nothing else. हम हमेशा ये सोचते रहते हैं कि I will fail. हम हमेशा यही डिलेमा में रहते हैं कि what happens कि जेब से पैसे लग जाएंगे, हम हार जाएंगे, हम probably successful नहीं होंगे. That's absolutely fine. We often regret the chances we don't take, and we always keep entangling ourselves कि यार हम हार जाएंगे, ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं होगा. अगर यही होता, then the most famous personalities that we know today in life wouldn't have achieved what they've achieved today. So everything extraordinary always started with something very, very ordinary. That is something very important. The best thing to do is to start today. Don't keep waiting for the perfect moment. This is your perfect moment. Start today. Don't worry about the consequences. A lot of people here are still doing jobs, multiple things, just to have a pocket money and so that the family is probably comfortable and safe back home. But what's important is, again, my only request is follow your dreams, follow your heart. You have a passion. Every individual in this planet has a passion. You have a purpose in life. All you have to do is identify it. That's it. To have a rich life is to have more beginnings than endings. And what does it take to start something is just to start. I was having a word with my mother early in the morning. I asked her, okay, you love cooking. Why don't you start something? मैं क्या बनाऊंगी? मैं कैसे बनाऊंगी? एक किचन कैसे तैयार होगा? मेरे पास इतने बर्तन नहीं है. दुनिया भर की चीजें थी. Right? But what's important is we can easily start today. You don't have to serve the world. All you have to do is start serving your neighbor first. Start serving the people around you first. कहते हैं ना, charity begins at home. Everything starts from just a scratch. It's always a very small, ordinary thing that turns extraordinary over a period of time. That's very, very, very important. I did not know I could talk. मुझे इंग्लिश तक नहीं आती थी, और जिससे जानबूझ के मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ, बीच में भूल जाता हूँ क्या बोल रहा हूँ. But just one job and everything changed. I always wanted that confidence कि मैं खड़े होकर किसी के सामने बात कर सकूँ. One-to-one conversations बहुत करता हूँ, but today I've got this opportunity to transform at least one life, and I think I might be able to do that. And if yes, I have been able to do that, I will be extremely thankful. Because if I can do it, as a complete failure in academics, but absolute achiever in life, I am sure you can also do that. It's very simple. Because you are much more talented than I can ever be. Genuinely. And as I mentioned, we often regret the chances we do not take. हम यही सोचते रहते हैं आगे क्या होगा, और ये चक्कर में आज जीना भूल जाते हैं. A lot of people we take, all of my friends that I know, they've taken loans, they've taken money from people. But what's important is, क्योंकि कल घर बनने वाला है, सब उसके चक्कर में आज क्यों खराब कर रहे हो? कल क्या होगा? That depends upon today. अगर आज अच्छा है तो कल जरूर अच्छा होगा. And that's what I always live by. कल का कल देखेंगे. What's your plan for tomorrow? I don't care what's your plan for tomorrow. I only want to live today. क्योंकि अगर आज अच्छा है तो कल जरूर अच्छा होगा. And that's what I've always believed in. I've always lived in, and my mother has always taught me this. कल का छोड़ दो, आज खुश रहो. अगर खुश हो, अपने आप सही हो जाएगा सब. And again, something which I've always lived by. Begin somewhere. You can't build a reputation on what you intend to do. A lot of people here want to do certain things. Correct? A lot of energies, a lot of passion in you, a lot of jazba, a lot of junoon. I want to do this, I want to do that. But the point is, kab karo? That's the main question. Now, it's very, very important. If they can do it, you can do it, I can do it. If a man in Yemen at just a petrol station can be one of the richest persons in the world, you and me can also do that. A man as a bus conductor, आज उनके मंदिर बनते हैं, उनकी worship की जाती है. If a person selling SIM cards can create one of the biggest hotel chains in the world, why can't you and I do it? It's very, very simple. All they had is one thing. I want to ask you that question. Do you believe in one statement that I'll make? No two individuals on this planet are exactly the same. Would you agree? No two individuals are exactly the same on this planet. Do you agree to this?
Yes.
Absolutely, are you sure?
Yes.
Are you 100% sure? Again, I'm asking you this.
Yes.
Correct? Now, let me say, there's one thing that's common between everyone on this planet. What is that? One thing that's common between every single individual on this planet. Desires can be different. I have a different desire, you have a different desire, of course. Everything is different, but there's one thing that's common between every individual. And the answer is 24 hours. इनको भी इतना ही टाइम मिला था जितना आपको मिला है और जितना मुझे मिला है. सचिन तेंदुलकर, अमिताभ बच्चन, सभी को उतना ही टाइम मिला है जितना आपको और मुझे मिला है. They've got the same opportunity, they have the same time to transform into what they have today. You and me, we're exactly the same. They and I, we're all the same. They had same time that we had and you had. That's the only difference is they got started. They created an opportunity, they got started, and they made the name for themselves. I think that's the only difference, and that's why I'm not afraid of anything. So, dare to dream, because it's only dreams that are transferred into thoughts, thoughts into action, and action finally to success. Now, very, very important question, that will you identify your passion? Very important. You do not know what you're passionate about. What is it that's bringing you that zeal, that energy? What are you really passionate about? How do you identify that? A lot of people might just say, मैं skydiving कर ही नहीं सकता, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. Last time आपने कब किया? I cannot deep dive in the ocean. I am scared. When was the last time did you really jump in the ocean? कभी कुछ किया है? जब कुछ किया ही नहीं तो उससे कैसे डर लग रहा है? The first thing to identify your passion is to try everything that comes your way. It's very important. Try everything. Do not shy away, do not run away from situations कि मैंने आज तक कभी किया ही नहीं, मुझे पता ही नहीं कैसे होगा. देख लेंगे क्या होता है. The first thing to identify your passion is to try everything that's possibly coming your way. Because that has helped me and it will definitely help you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The moment is now. Take it, make sure that you're making use of it, and it's very important. Because a lot of people, there are so many opportunities that the college will also create for you. For example, the debate competition, maybe dance, singing, dramatics, everything. A lot of people already have that preconceived notion, यार मुझे ड्रामा नहीं करना, मुझे डांस नहीं करना, मैंने डांस कभी किया ही नहीं. I will not be able to participate in a debate just because मैंने कभी घर पे डिबेट नहीं किया, खाली मम्मी पापा के साथ घर पे करता हूँ. You never know if you are really good at it or not till the time you don't participate. You might be a disaster. You might be a disaster. But you have that thought, लोग क्या कहेंगे? लोगों को कहने दो उनको जो बोलना है. आप वो करो जो आपको करना है. और आज करो. कल सोचते रहोगे तो कल का कल ही हो जाएगा. एक बोर्ड नोटिस बोर्ड पे लिखा होगा, let's start tomorrow. And every time you approach that board, it will always say, let's start tomorrow. It will keep telling you tomorrow, but the time is now. So my only request to each and every individual here, if I can do it, you can do it. And all the personalities that we saw today on the board, if they can do it, they found their purpose, they found their passion. It's very important. You identify your passion, and of course, it will change, it will transform you to a beautiful human being and a very happy human being. And I'm here to only spread happiness because that's what my profession is. Thank you so very much, ladies and gentlemen, for listening out. And I think I've been able to create even one picture of difference. Then let's meet outside and we'll have one coffee together. Thank you so very much. Thank you once again.